the global landscape in front of you at this moment. You have yields marching higher across the world, but in Europe specifically. You have China delivering less velocity than many had hoped it would. So Austria skirted a recession so far this year. Are you confident that it can continue to avoid one and that you will have a strong bounce back in 2024?
Well, I'm always confident, but not naive. That's my attitude. No, we're in difficult times, very challenging times, I would say, economically. We did quite well last year, having a growth of GDP of more than 5%, which is above the European average, above Germany. We always compare ourselves to Germany, have to.
Everyone has to.
Everyone has to, but especially Austria, of course. We were doing quite well, but of course now the times are different. And especially because of Germany also, because we are very much dependent on Germany. And sort of we're going into a recession in the third and fourth quarter of this year, but the expectations for next year are not that bad. We're expecting growth of more than 1% for next year, so I'm still quite optimistic.
Good morning, Minister. Good to see you. That optimism obviously depends on a great deal on the global stage. France is flatlining. Germany is the sick man of Europe. China is not growing. So what is it that's going to help you be confident that you return to growth in 2024? What is it that's going to drive that growth for you?
Well, especially how we present our budget. That's probably the most important thing. And we've got some things to do in the budget, definitely. Challenging times also for budgets in all over Europe, especially because I talked about the dependency of Germany. And we are all in the same boat in a way, because there are all these export-orientated countries like Germany, like Austria, like Sweden, Netherlands and others are in difficult times. But what we have to do now in our budgets is to set the right scene for next year. We've got some priorities to do, like we're setting a lot of priorities on microelectronics, for instance, and to get the economy up again in the next year to come.
Well, you've long been a proponent of stricter fiscal rules for the entirety of the EU. We're in this situation now where you have both France and Italy looking like they're going to go above the 3% limit. What is at risk for Europe?
Yeah, we need new fiscal rules. We're just discussing these fiscal rules on a European level. Probably next week is sort of the next challenging time. But we have to, well, first of all, we have to get new rules. That's for sure by the end of the year. And I think we need some sustainable fiscal rules. I think that's a good attitude to have, in my opinion. Get more transparency also and more enforceable rules, because we had rules in the past which were not very enforceable.
Minister, what happens if we don't get that? What's at stake?
Well, we stick back to the old rules then. That's for sure. We definitely need rules, and if we don't get any new rules, we stick back to the old ones.
Well, the old rules, many people sort of fudged them in the first instance, Minister, time immemorial in Europe. I want to deal with a story at hand at the moment. We're tracking gas prices this morning. There's a strike in Australia. That's a constriction on supply. I want to get a broader perspective from you on Europe. Gas prices have plummeted since the Russian invasion of Ukraine. How prepared is Europe for a new weaponization of energy in this winter? Are you prepared? What are you doing? Are you on the front foot?
You're perfectly right. I think Russia and Putin uses gas and the energy altogether as a weapon against Europe, against the world, against Ukraine. And we have to prepare ourselves in the EU member states. And I think Austria is well prepared. Our gas storage capacities are very high compared to other European countries, and the gas storage capacities are full by more than 93%. So we are very well prepared for the winter which comes up. That's the good thing. And we have to work on more diversification of our gas system, because we were very much dependent on Russian gas, not only Russian gas, but rather the pipeline gas. And it was very good for our economy in the last years, of course, because it was cheaper gas than the LNG. Yep. And as Austria hasn't got an LNG, hasn't got a sea access, as you know, we are very much dependent on the pipeline gas. But we managed to diversify in the last months more to Norwegian gas, more to other gas systems, and that's a good perspective.
Now, one of the other issues facing Austria, and let's be honest, the world is facing this right now, is labor unrest. You have metal workers in Austria asking for a nearly 12% raise. Social workers, it's 15%. Can you realistically afford that? Can the country afford that?
Well, it's not in the politicians' hand to do these wages and the rises of wages. That's in Austria. It's the social partners who discuss that. But you're right. I mean that of course fuels the inflation again, and the Austrian inflation is too high. We are now above the European average. We used to be below the European average last year. We're at 6.1% now. On the EU statistic level, we're at 5.8%, which is far too high, but there are different reasons for that. And one reason is of course, the very high wages. The rise of the wages, we are the highest in Europe, together with Belgium, and that fuels the inflation again.
Minister,
That's a big problem, yeah.
Very briefly, a response to, we've just caught up with Maria Zelensky, is speaking there about the concerns around the lack of funds or the break in the momentum of funds from the United States of America to Ukraine. How concerned is Austria? How concerned are European peers? Briefly, a response to the break in funding from the US.
Well, we are, of course, supporting Ukraine with all we can do. I just had a meeting with the EBRD this morning. We are supporting the EBRD, we're supporting the EIB as well. We're doing a lot as a small country, a small European country, to support the Ukraine. We have to stick to that as a European Union, but as a world altogether.
All right, Minister, thank you so much for your time. That is, of course, Magnus Brunner, the Austria finance minister.